Roxanne.
Right. Abby, you want to help me?
Abby, you want to help mommy open it?
I used to dentist or something much better. I do. You know that? I do. It's a phone.
It's not a phone. It's an iPad.
It's an iPad.
It's a computer. It is a computer.
Whoa.
Hey.
How did that happen?
Yeah.
Open the card.
Where's the card?
Yay.
There it is.
That's for me.
Oh, no.
Yay
Let me see, Rod.
for mom. Yay for mom.
What are you guys doing? Oh my god.
Yay for mom.
Oh my god.
Yay for mom.
Aww.
What? At least I do want chocolate. What, mommy?
All her cousins got her
Hot chocolate
computer.
over there.
Isn't that nice?
Thank you, everybody.
What?
Gosh, I don't even know what to say. It's a huge gift. But the card, how did you get everybody to sign this card?
Oh, that was the easiest part.
It was Missy.
Oh my god.
We started in April.
Yeah.